Hello, every classmate, and I'm Tom. I'm going to say I'm Guang Tao. It's a long name. So today we study the two ways of use Requirejs. Okay. And in the last lesson, we used the require for the good point. The good point means we to know is why to use the Requirejs. You could to know is the Requirejs it help me to not stop the web page, the text, and to when the text to loaded, so then to run the JS in a good way. And also the important things Requirejs it manage all with JS files, so it can help me to try to make the all modular management of JS files. So you need to know this, and I hope you can to look at it and to know the main difference. In the last lesson, we use the two ways use or not use the Requirejs and to alert some message. It's different. You can't look it different. We don't use the Requirejs, so the HTML is waiting for the text and don't show the text. Okay, so this lesson we continue to look the two ways of using the Requirejs. And the first way we to use the data dash main, the attribute, the HTML file attribute to use it. And the second way you to use it is we don't use data dash main. We write the JS. Sorry, we write JS in files. In files is another way. We can to look it and to know it. And the three I want to share for you. Sometimes we can to use the CDN, and we could use the CDN to loading Requirejs. It's also okay because the JavaScript it can to connect the other web page, website, the JS files is okay. So in this lesson, the three things which know it. So let's have a look. Okay, about this here, in the last lesson, which use the data main, like this one. So I can try. Don't use this coder, and it also can to running it. Let's have a look. So to show the term show new also okay. Yeah, it's then the last lesson we write down the code. But in this lesson we don't use the data dash main. This the attribute, and we use this one and this one. So it's different thing is you can know the SRC is connects a CDN, but also we can use this one. It's same last here, but it don't have the data main. Also we can to delete this one, the trip of the HTML file attribute. It's okay. And the SRC is same, but it's only to don't have this attribute date dash main. So let's have a look, but we add this with require the until the files in here in the project.atm files. So let's have a try. It's okay. It shows the number. Let's to change the number. It's 666. I'll have a try. 666. Yes. So maybe we can to try and look the coder and in the elements. It's okay until it's same. So we can to know the two way. The first way we use the date main, date dash main, and the second way we use in the file to write the code and use the require. But the require in the until the file is also have. For example, it's in here. Requirejs is same, but sometimes we can to know. Maybe you need to know maybe like to copy it on here. It's same, but this dress you need to change a little. So the three things the 13 things is about the CDN. For example, with here with this one, the 11 coder is SRC is another website, and you know is the first admin.net is a web page, another domain, the website is also to connect the Greco the meaning JS is okay. Let's have a try again. Yeah, 666. This here or here is also okay. And also we can use like for example this one. This one is data dash main is also use the CDN, but you need to ready in here about yourself the JS. Sometimes if you use it's okay, but the JS you need to upload send to the other CDN compute. Okay, this is the 13th thing. Okay. So okay, and this lesson is all thing about we use two-way and use Requirejs, but maybe you don't know the require, but this mouse. In the next lesson, we to study the more about require mouse. So this mouse is in this course is important because we're learning about the name is Requirejs. So require in here is to show again. So we can guess this word, this mouse maybe it's an important thing to do. If you are the auth, then maybe you to the important thing to use the require mouse. So in the next lesson we can try how to use the require mouse. Okay, see you next lesson. Thank you.